Okay, so hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to derive this given function yx cubed minus cosine x sine y is equal to 7x. So as you can see, this function contains implicit function and trigonometric function, and in order to get y prime, we must use product rule. So first things first, let's derive each argument. Now, this is the f of x and this is the g of x. So its derivative is y prime and 3x squared. So since it is an implicit function, in deriving y, we must put y prime with it. So the derivative of f of x becomes y prime. So in the trigonometric function, we all know that the derivative of cosine is negative sine. Since it has negative sign before the argument, so the derivative becomes sine x. The second one is sine y. Its derivative is cosine y. So since it has y, so we need to derive this argument and put y prime before cosine y. So in solving, we're going to use product rule, which is f of x multiplied by the derivative of g of x plus g of x, then the derivative of f of x, which is y prime, minus, even if we're going to use product rule, we still must follow the format of the function. Minus, copy the first, cosine x, then multiply it to the derivative of sine y, which is y prime cosine y, plus sine y copied, then derivative of negative cosine x, which is sine x, equal to the derivative of 7x, which is 7. So let's combine everything, and this will result to 3x squared y, that's y prime x cubed, minus y prime cosine y cosine x, plus sine y sine x, equal to 7. In order to get y prime, we must put everything that contains y prime into one side and transpose the other to the other side. So this will result to y prime is equal multiplied to x cubed minus cosine y cosine x. Now this will result to 7 minus 3x squared y minus sine y sine x. In order to get y prime, we must derive everything by this, the one that is enclosed, x cubed minus cosine y cosine x. So now we get the answer y prime is equal to 7 minus 3x squared y minus sine y sine x all over x cubed minus cosine y cosine